Sony's display 4K HDR OLED 120Hz refresh rate. This display technology offers unprecedented color accuracy, thanks to Cine Alta. This innovation is ideal for gamers, photographers, and film producers demanding the highest visual quality. Camera offers a range of features for the discerning photographer. It has a triple camera setup consisting of a 48MP f/1.9 24mm wide-angle lens with dual-pixel PDAF OIS, a 12MP f/2.3 85mm telephoto lens with 3.5x 5.2x continuous optical zoom with OIS, and a 12MP f/2.2 16mm ultra-wide lens also with dual-pixel PDAF. These optics are equipped with Zeiss optics and Zeiss T** coating, along with LED flash, panorama, HDR, and eye tracking. Video capture is available at 4K at 24/25/30/60/120 fps HDR, or 1080p at 30/60/120 fps with 5-axis Euro EIS and OIS. On the selfie camera you have a single 12MP f/2.0 24mm wide-angle lens with 1/2.9 and 1.25mm HDR and video capture of 4K at 30 fps or 1080p at 30/60th frame per second with a 5-axis Euro EIS, making this a great choice for high-quality photography and videography. Sony has collaborated with Zeiss to bring the latest in photography technology to the limelight. Alpha imaging technology provides you with stunning photos with HDR burst, autofocus, and auto exposure of up to 20 frames per second. This true optical zoom lens has a range of 85 to 125mm, allowing you to take pictures in hard-to-reach locations. Moreover, real-time IAF permits you to get the perfect shot in each time. Sony is setting the standard for photography with its emphasis on precision for each detail. Sony's latest smartphone features 4K HDR 120 frames per second video recording on all lenses, providing unrivaled image quality and control. IAF and object tracking technologies give accuracy and make live video streaming simpler than ever. And with access to our training materials, users can quickly become adept at videography and cinematography. Sony provides customers with a top-tier acoustic experience. Featuring wired 3.5mm audio jacks, wireless Bluetooth, and dual-stage stereo speakers, music lovers can experience remarkable sound quality for a broad number of tunes. Sony also provides a collection of headphones and earbuds to cater to any taste or budget, while the Fresh Music Pro is designed to revolutionize the way people listen to music. With its recording capabilities, Sony Music Pro lets you craft your own music tracks and mix songs with expert-grade sound. Experience the power of audio with Sony. Sony's Xperia 1 4 phone is the perfect device for those serious about gaming.